But he does not appear to be slowing down. He's still chopping. He's making it look so effortless.
Fuck you, Mocha. Man, I stop dying loud when the phone at me. Life on the line every day, one chops.
Yeah, viewers and subscriber. The artist Go God was arrested and taken into custody for scamming. Let's see the video right after this. JFS Premier TV with the best video results. Please like, subscribe, and share.
Yeah, man, you mean a custody, right?
Yeah, alright, we can't follow.
Sir, stand up, praise and wait. Alright. Have a liar?
Yeah, the liar,
Alright then. Soon as possible, I want you to come inside, here?
Yeah, yes, sir, no problem.
Alright, you can sit now, you can sit.
Officer, you have to speak up yourself.
You know to now violate. Brother, let's talk in, alright?
Remember, only my body man, police friend, we have to, you know.
Hear me, Anthony? Let's talk in. Alright, thank you very much, sir. Alright. This brother here is right here, so I'm only with a lot of things. And I'm about to give you a code for them. You hear?
Channel, the artists are full of style, viewers. It can be a prank for more publicity, and it also can be true. Because you don't know government still a clamp down on the scamming thing hard, Hope it's fake for real though, because he's a good artist, You have some good song, man. Rate him song, Him song them all are go trending right now. You get what I say? A good youth, man. You can go check him out, man. Who never knew him before. Go God. But a chap, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. And remember to subscribe to this channel to see more hot videos.
Fuck you, Mocha. Man, I stop dying loud when the phone at me. Life on the line every day, one chops. We're up in the aisle, you know, see the gun shock. Jump up in the Riley, world dog. Same for a couple bricks and the word dog. With a Swiss can, when I miss dog. As my load up the phone is a missed call. Most of the thugs them can't read to the need to. Fuck that in the name book, we link up. The Huey girl them a bright. I forget it, you know see I'm on the season. I'll call all of the widow. Make sure you have your checkbook with you. Them a talk about God Christ senior, but God know my love jump out of the brimmer. Fuck you, Mocha. Man, I stop dying loud when the phone at me. Life on the line every day, one chops. We're up in the aisle, you know see the gun shot.